Hey guys, logging out of Pokémon Unite is pretty easy, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it on Android, iOS, and Nintendo Switch. So let's start with Android. So to log out to Pokémon Unite, open your phone settings, then go to apps, and then scroll down until you find Pokémon Unite and tap on it. Next, go to storage, then tap on clear data and clear cache. So this will log you out of your Pokémon Unite account. And now for iOS, you can clear data like Android. So the easiest way to log out is to uninstall and reinstall the app. So once you reinstall it, you'll be logged out and can sign in with different accounts. So for last is Nintendo Switch. Logging out isn't as simple here. You can directly log out or delete your account from the app. Instead, you need to create a new user profile on your Nintendo Switch. Once you create a new user, open Pokémon Unite and go to the account linking section. And there you can link a new Pokémon Unite account to that new user. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Pokémon Unite on Android, iOS, and Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching.